outlined a lot of different activities there. Give us your sort of top couple of priorities that you're focusing on for the next year.
Yeah, so as some people might not know, we're turning 10. So it's our decennial, our first one, right? We're very excited about that. So what we're trying to do, what's going to be a very large priority for us, is to try to figure out how to evolve the program for the next 10 years, right? Nothing stays still in cyber, and our contracts that kind of drive the program start to kind of terminate early calendar year 24, right? So we have to start our strategic planning now. And so we're all taking a good look, doing a lot of soul searching to figure out, okay, what's working, what's not working, what has changed. To wit, there is a lot of things that we can do to make CDM, quote unquote, easier for our customers, especially when it comes to things like data integration. We want to be a lot more nimble, a lot more modular, a lot more flexible to allow agencies to do CDM the way that they want to do it, and to us to come in with a very tailored model for support to help them get to that destination. And so that's kind of the principles that we're looking at to try to evolve the program to really be the best support element we possibly can on doing CDM. So that's a big thing that we'll be spending a lot of our cycles on. We wanted to continue to demonstrate value in the tools that we provide. So continue to put out operational use case for the dashboard. We talked about automation reporting of KEVs and vulnerabilities earlier. I also want to move into automation of FISMA metrics as well. That's a key thing for us that we want to look to do. We want to supercharge our mobile efforts, which I think some people mentioned earlier. So moving into enterprise mobility management, mobile threat defense, getting those telemetry sets into the dashboard to further kind of supercharge the automation part that we were talking about earlier. And then, of course, can't talk about future without zero trust. We want to take a little bit more of a deliberate planning approach when it comes to zero trust. So we are looking at certain industries like identity as a service, SASE or ZTNA, whatever you want to call it, to try to figure out how those capabilities relate to CDM, how they relate to zero trust, and what is the best way for us to offer that to our constituencies to help them build foundational parts of zero trust and kind of mature out of that.